Next, I have to discuss 14th onwards, right? How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? So, we'll find the first multiple after 10, that will be divisible by 4, या multiple of 4. So, after 10, 10 is not, 11 is not, 12. So, your first term out here becomes 12. 12 will be the first multiple that will be divisible, first multiple of 4. And 250 is not a multiple of 4. 249 will not be, 248 for 8 will be. If you know your divisibility test in your tables well, this is not a problem. So, for this question number 14, A is 12, D obviously has to be 4, and your AN last term is 248. Rest is the same as the previous one. You'll apply AN's formula, put the values, your A and AN and D has changed. Rest, again you have to find N, that is it. So, we would say these many multiples of 4 lie. Okay, so बाकी calculation खुद करोगे like the previous one. I've just given you hint. Then likewise for 15th one, children, for what value of n are the nth terms of these two APs equal? Okay, so there are two APs given to you, and we have it has been said that nth term of these two APs is the same. So nth term of first AP given equal to nth term of second AP by formula A plus n minus 1D. Okay, so for the first AP, your A is 63, D is 65 minus 63, that is 2. So this is nth term of first AP equals to second AP. A is 3, D is 10 minus 3, 7. Put the values. Okay, so there is only one unknown, n. It will be solved to find your n. This 2 I have distributed inside, 7 distributed inside, numbers ek taraf, variable ek taraf. You know how to solve equations, right? So our n is coming out to be 13 here. Right? Okay. Now, what is the 16th question saying? Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and 7th term exceeds the 5th term by 12. Okay, we've done these type of questions a number of times now, children, when they are giving us such equations. Okay, so we have to determine, that means, okay, this way. So, how will you get your equations? You will say A3 is given to you as 16. So, एक equation ही आ जाएगा. A3 by formula is A plus 2D. n minus 1, 16. एक इक्वेशन ये आ गया. दूसरा उसने बोला था 7th टर्म एक्सीड्स द 5th टर्म. एक्सीड मंथ मीन्स ज्यादा है, तो इसका मतलब इन दोनों का डिफरेंस 12 होगा. 7th टर्म एक्सीड्स द 5th टर्म बाय 12. ओके, वी कैन राइट इट एज A7 इज इक्वल टू 12 प्लस A5. तो फिर वो A5 उधर जाके माइनस हो जाएगा, जैसे भी आपको समझ में आता है. दिस विल गिव यू योर सेकेंड इक्वेशन. सो A7 बाय फॉर्मूला इज A प्लस 6D, A5 इज A माइनस A प्लस 4D. माइनस था तो दोनों नेगेटिव हो जाएंगे साइंस. आई हैव कट इट शॉर्ट हियर बिकॉज आई वाज जस्ट गिविंग यू हिंट. आप पे चॉइस है, यू कैन एलैबोरेट एंड राइट इट, डू योर कैलकुलेशंस प्रॉपर्ली. सो फ्रॉम हियर यू आर गेटिंग 2D इज एक्चुअली इक्वल टू 12. सो यू कैन फाइंड योर D फ्रॉम हियर. D विल कम आउट टू बी 6. पुट D हियर. Put that value here, you'll know your A. फिर आपको A और D पता है तो आप पूरा sequence लिख सकते हो, whatever they have asked you out here. Okay, they are saying determine the AP. So, if you know your A and D, you know the whole AP. Then you can write, hence the AP is 1, 2, 3, 3, 4 terms. लिख दो AP के. Got it? Okay. Now, 17th question, children. Next is saying, find the 20th term from the last of the AP this. Now, this is something important here, children. Fact to be kept in mind that if any sequence is an AP, in reverse order also, children, it comes out to be AP. ठीक है? क्योंकि वो जिस स्पीड से आगे को बढ़ रही थी, if you consider it in reverse order, वो उतने ही जंप से पीछे जाएगी. Reverse order में also it will be an AP, only its difference becomes negative times the difference of the given AP. Okay? So, like your given AP out here was 3, 8, 13. This was an AP. Okay, I'll show you the whole solution from there. Book is not required now. This is an AP with common difference 5. है 8 minus 3 5 plus 5 13, so and so forth. Then if I reverse it, उसने बोला था ना 20th term from the end, मतलब उल्टा पीछे. So I have reversed the whole sequence. 2 5 3 so and so forth till 13 8 3 उल्टी कर दी पूरी sequence. Will also be an AP. That's a fact. Okay, AP in reverse order is also an AP, and the common difference will become negative times the previous one. But obvious, आप उसको उल्टा देखो तो देखो, अगर ऐसे आप करोगे तो फिर क्या difference आ रहा है? 8 minus 13, that is minus 5, right? 3 minus 8, it's always previous term, the following term minus the previous term. That is what gives you your common difference. So your common difference is coming out to be minus 5 for reverse AP. तो अब आपको 20th टर्म फ्रॉम द एंड लिखना था. ये जो फॉर्मूला होता है हमारा an इज इक्वल टू a प्लस n माइनस 1d, ये इसको फर्स्ट टर्म कंसिडर करके आता है. ओके तो जब उसने 20th टर्म फ्रॉम द एंड बोला तो अब आप इसको अपना a बना लो. ओके एंड यहां से जो 20th टर्म है वो इवेल्युएट कर लो. बट व्हाट यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड आउट हियर इज ओनली दैट d विल बी माइनस ऑफ 5. So that is what we've done here. So a20 will become a plus n minus 1. D will be minus 5. That is all you have to take care of here. Okay. Do your calculation. Get your term. Clear? Okay. Then 18th question, children. The sum of the fourth and the eighth term of an AP is 24. तो जैसे अभी हमने आगे इक्वेशन में आया था a4 plus a8 is equal to 24. One equation. a4 का फॉर्मूला लिख दो a plus 3d. And so forth, right? And the sum of the sixth and the terms are 44. You have to find the first three terms. Okay, तो ऐसे ही आप equation बना लोगे. Now you've done so many questions, you know it how to do it. So a4 is this, a8 would be this by formula. Okay, and this sum was given to you as 24. So a like terms 2a 7 plus 3 10d is equal to 24 हो जा रहा है. अब ये सब 2 से divisible थे तो to make your calculations convenient I have divided this throughout by 2. छोटा हो जाता है equation. So it will become a plus 5d is equal to 12 dividing throughout by 2. So one equation is this in hand. Then likewise we were given under the condition 6th term and 10th term का भी sum given था. तो 6th term by formula, 10th term by formula, adding, डिवाइडिंग बाई 2, सब ऑल आर मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 2 तो रिड्यूस हो गया. ये अभी आपको इनको बस साइमल्टेनियसली सॉल्व करना है. यू नो हाउ टू सॉल्व इक्वेशन इन 2 वेरिएबल्स. एक्स वाई की जगह यहाँ ए एंड डी 2 इक्वेशंस. सब्स्टिट्यूशन से कर लो, एलिमिनेशन इज मोर इजी आउट हियर. सब्ट्रैक्ट द 2 इक्वेशंस, ए गायब हो जाएगा. सो डी निकल आएगा सीधे. पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ डी इन एनी वन इक्वेशन, ए भी आ जाएगा. यू नो ए एंड डी, यू नो द होल सीक्वेंस. Okay, so calculations I have left for you children. Okay, मेरा calculation copy करके आपको कोई फायदा नहीं है. I'm giving you the hint how to form the equation. Solving you will do on your own. Fine? Okay, what is the next question saying then? Children, 19th one is saying it's a word problem. You have to convert it to your AP problem. Shubha Rao started work in 95 at an annual salary of 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did his income reach this much? So this is the starting income. A हो गया. Increment every time जितना बढ़ रहा है ये D हो गया, right? And finally it has become 7,000. तो ये आपका last term या nth term हो गया. If suppose we say there were n increments, n years. So in which year? तो वो आपसे क्या पूछ रहा है यहाँ पे? Year means n पूछ रहा है. Get that? Okay. See. So for this question we'll take A as 5,000, D as 200, an as 7,000 and n is what has been asked. So आपका डायरेक्ट एक फॉर्मूला होता है an is equal to a plus n minus 1d. सब पता है आपको, एक n unknown है, निकल जाएगा. Same way is the last one also. Okay, for the last one, Ramkali saved rupees 5 first week, then increased her saving by rupees 1.75. If nth week her saving was this much, then what was n? अभी ऊपर उसने n भी नहीं बोला था, आपने खुद सपोज किया था. यहाँ पे उसने बोल भी दिया है कि n वीक्स है. सो रेस्ट विल बी द सेम. सो योर स्टार्टिंग टर्म a is 5, d is 1.75, an is the final 20.75. You have to find n. So use again a plus an is equal to a plus n minus 1d. Okay, calculation children, you finish off yourself and let me know if there's any problem then.